Okay, this video is on area and circumference of a circle. Okay, so there's a couple formulas I'm going to use. Area is pi r squared, which the area is how much in the inside, taken up the inside, and circumference, which is like going around the shape. Circumference has two formulas. It's either going to be pi times d, or circumference is going to equal 2 pi r. They're the exact same thing, just written different ways depending on what you're using. Now, a couple of things we should talk about is, first of all, what r and d stand for. R is my radius, and d is the diameter. So what's the difference between the two of them? Diameter goes all the way across the middle of the circle. So in this case, my diameter is going to be 10 centimeters. The radius goes from the center of the circle to the outside, which ends up being half of the diameter. So my radius is, in this case, it's actually going to be 5 centimeters. Okay, it's going from the middle to the outside, whereas diameter goes all the way across. So area is pi times radius squared. So pi times 5 squared. Now, do the 5 squared first. Okay, we've got to follow the BEDMAS rules. Do your exponent before you can multiply. So 5 squared is 25. So I'm going to have pi times 25. And for the pi button, or for the pi, you can use 3.14, which is approximately equal to. Okay, or most calculators have a pi button right on them. So I can go 25 times pi equals 78.5. In this case, centimeters squared, because I'm dealing with area. For circumference, again, it doesn't matter which formula you use, you're going to get the same answer. Okay, so if I was to use 2 pi r, I'd have 2 times pi times my radius, which was 5. 2 times 5 is 10, and I would have 10 times pi, which would give me 31.4 centimeters. If I was to use circumference equals pi times d, I would again have pi, and my diameter is 10. And I would have 10 times pi, which would again give me 31.4 centimeters. So either way, they give me the exact same answer. Doesn't matter what you use, and that's because the diameter is really twice the radius. So here's how you find the area and circumference of a circle. You use the formulas and let the formulas do the work. Just put the numbers in, and then you can simplify a little bit before you put in your calculator. Thank you very much.